Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkees. I'm here today to show you how to sculpt and contour the face using the Pro Sculptor brush in just a very few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off with your Pro Sculptor brush and your contour powder, go ahead and get some product on there. Always tap off the excess, and then just starting here first, right under the cheekbone, we're going to hollow out this cheekbone to give a more lifted cheekbone appearance to the face. So just using circular motions, go ahead and start placing the product and blending at the same time. Adding no additional product, start taking the brush up the hairline and then hitting the temple right here. This is going to help kind of define our forehead. You also want to use this to drag right under the jawline as well. Using a brush like this does an amazing job at contouring the face because it is dense, but it's still fluffy at the same time. So it's kind of like that all-in-one brush where you can use it to apply your product and then just keep going to blend everything out. In case you ever feel like you have any harsh lines, go ahead and take the brush and just rub it on the back of your hand to kind of get rid of any excess product. And then go back in and just using circular buffing motions, you can just once again blend everything together. And there you have it, how to powder contour the face in just a very few easy, simple steps using the Pro Sculptor brush.